Hi there, I'm Zuzu the penguin. Let's go through my day together. This is part 1. Good morning, world. My name's Zuzu, and today is gonna be fun. First, let me stop that noisy alarm. There, that's better. Ooh, look! The sun is shining through my window. What a beautiful morning to wake up in my cozy penguin bed. Next stop, the bathroom. Time to brush my beak. Squeaky clean. Brush, brush, brush. A little rinse. A pat with my towel. Now, let's splash in the tub for just a minute. Splash! Whoa, that water's chilly. Okay, all done. I feel super fresh and ready. And that's how I start my day. Thanks for joining me in part 1. In part 2, we'll eat yummy breakfast and play with my favorite toys. See you soon. There, I'm Zuzu, and welcome to KiddyVerse!